Innovation has been the key to revolutionizing various facets of our everyday lives. One company that has implemented its innovation-first philosophy to bring path-breaking features to mobile videography is OPPO Mobiles. The company's Reno series encapsulates everything that epitomizes the future-forward videography vision of OPPO. The video-centric industry-first features of the Reno series not only redefine benchmarks for videography excellence, but also satiate the ever-evolving needs of the new-age content creators.
Videography is the future, and we're seeking to make professional cameras redundant. We foresee consumers embracing videography as never before, and we intend on making our consumers great videographers, enabling them to capture their life's joyous moments with extraordinary videos. And this expectation is met by evolving the product hardware, our chipsets, writing advanced algorithms, and most importantly, leveraging all of these to work seamlessly with ColorOS. This makes our products intuitive. It makes advanced technology really easy to use. With the Reno series, we're pushing the boundaries to allow consumers to transform seemingly ordinary moments into extraordinary memories, empowering them to make exceptional cinematic videos. These video-centric innovations on the widely loved Reno series put us at the vanguard of camera-centric innovation. OPPO's legacy of smartphone videography started with the Reno 2. From ultra-steady video in Reno 2 to AI color portrait in Reno 4 to AI highlight video in Reno 5, this series has helped our consumers capture life's beautiful and unexpected moments for eternity. Reno users worldwide shoot over 200 million videos every month. In fact, even movie directors like Imtiaz Ali have embraced the Reno to create magical cinematic moments, shot entirely on the Reno 5 Pro. The Reno 6 series is a huge leap forward in smartphone camera innovation. And as always, OPPO is at the center of this revolution.
These innovations are a testament to OPPO's commitment towards R&D, which helps the company keep pace with the dynamic needs of its consumers. OPPO has extensively invested in technology as well as manpower to raise industry benchmarks in this domain.
In OPPO, we have a strong belief that when it comes to a smartphone imaging system, hardware can guarantee the lower limit of image quality, but the upper limits can only be reached through the innovation of advanced algorithms, and this belief getting stronger and stronger each day. Our breakthrough in smartphone imaging AI technology have managed to enable our user to shoot professional videos at the click of a button. So to achieve this, our research not only led to advanced hardware but also advanced algorithm and processing. We have developed these from scratch, keeping in mind the dynamic needs of our users. Industry-first innovation will always be top of mind for us, and as we continue to lead in the space of video technology.
With the Reno 6 series, OPPO is leading the video revolution. And why not? The smartphone comes with an industry-leading and industry-first Bokeh Flare Portrait video feature.
It wouldn't be fair to speak about OPPO's innovation-first approach without mentioning the Bokeh Flare Portrait video features on the Reno 6 series. While developing the Reno 6 camera technology, we always knew that our users are looking for a compact device with movie-quality videography experience. And hence, our team, with its relentless effort, came up with the Bokeh Flare Portrait video feature. The feature has come to life through trained AI algorithms to recognize different properties with 97% accuracy while shooting a portrait video. So while shooting through the Reno 6, even when you move or the light changes, the phone can still keep track of the subject and the background. All the video processing and the optimizations not only happen in parallel but are performed within just 10 milliseconds, allowing the creator to create and shoot the real-time previews. Reno 6 series is the first smartphone series to achieve movie quality bokeh using the computational photography. Imagine if you could create a DSLR level video with your smartphone. With the Reno 6 series, we have made this a reality.
With such innovations, OPPO is actively pushing portrait videography and influencing the importance of video in smartphone technology.
With the Reno6 series, you will create cinematic videos that can match what the best movie directors achieve with professional equipment. Anyone can create amazing videos with this device. So if you want a film studio in your pocket, get the Reno6 series. Point and shoot. Become the videographer of your dreams.
Video lies at the heart of OPPO's Reno series innovation. OPPO's video technology is optimized for better, brighter, clearer shots. It is optimized for the future of video content creation. Stay tuned as OPPO ushers in the next era of smartphone videography.